So guys, we are today at my friend's place. This is Stepearly. Stepearly, as you can see, focuses on home furniture. It focuses on commercial office furniture, and I think their speciality is into more of commercial
office furniture.
Office furniture.
Yes, and office chairs too.
Yeah. So thank you, Sashikant sir, for sparing time today.
Thank you for making up actually.
Yeah.
We are meeting after 7 long years.
Yeah, we are meeting. So Sashikant, हमारे जो यहाँ पे students हैं, most of them are interior designers, architecture students and civil engineering students who aspire to start something like we have done. So short में आपका जरा story बताइए. Yeah.
See, so basically by qualification I have done my MBA from marketing from MIT School of Business Pune only. I am a 2009 pass out. Since then I am in the same field. So I worked with first my job was with the hometown where I worked in the home segment. I worked there as the department manager. Then I shifted my focus to office furniture. I worked in the field of office furniture with the company called Stellar Office Furniture in Pune itself. And after that I worked with Shandar Modular System, which is also a Pune based company which had a legacy of 50 years. I worked there as a business head for 5 years, and after that it was 10 to 11 years of experience. I thought nowadays I have enough experience to start something on my own.
Oh.
So I thought of this business, so why not start something which we worked for 10 years.
Okay.
Yeah, so I have started with Stepearly Private Limited. In my mind, I have a scalability of business in my mind. I wanted to scale this business to a great extent. That was the reason from day one I have established a private limited company.
What's a private?
Yeah, it's a private limited company. We have an platform called www.stepearly.com where we are selling office furniture and chairs online as well.
Okay.
Yeah, that's also one thing. So this is the story from the graduation to here. It's been 2.5 years now, and we are growing steadily and slowly.
So how was the decision? Because
yeah.
Was this a part of your larger plan to get into business?
Yeah.
Because after doing 10 years of job, there must have been some hesitation getting. Was there no fear?
No. So I always wanted to become an entrepreneur.
Okay.
And I thought it has actually become late to start after 10 years. But yes, now the dream is reality.
Oh yeah. We're very, very proud of you. Best of luck. Sashikant sir, we want to understand. जो काउंटर टॉप का हाइट है, मॉड्यूलर फर्नीचर में क्या स्टैंडर्ड आता है और इज इट कस्टमाइजेबल अकॉर्डिंग टू द क्लाइंट्स?
It is always customizable, but as in standard, the height of the kitchen top is always 800 mm.
800 mm.
Approximately 2 feet 7 inches, 8 inches.
So 32, 8 for the.
Yeah.
32 inches.
32 inches. Yes, it is. Yeah. So 32 inches. Here we have taken little bigger height.
Oh, this is just for sample illustration.
That's fine, but see what happens is we have given a skirting of 100 mm which is 4 inches.
Okay.
Now this is completely removable skirting. Once we remove it, you can easily put your broom inside and clean
Removable.
It's
once in a while you need to remove it.
Yeah, once in a while. I'll show you how we can remove it here. So there are clips. If you just remove those clips, it can come out like this.
My God.
So then you have a space where you can easily put your broom inside. You can clean it. Yeah.
So the storage does not actually touch the floor.
Yeah, it is not. So these are called plinth.
Plinth. Yeah.
So yeah, it is standing on the plinth, and it is not actually touching to the floor. So with this, I mean, you can always restrict your cockroaches with the good cleaning.
So these are removables for you?
Yeah, these are removables.
Yeah, so you're talking about the height. So because of these 4 inches, is it?
It has gone little up. So it is always approximately 800 mm, which is 32 inches. Yeah. And then in modular kitchen, the depth is always 600 mm, 2 feet.
2 feet, yeah.
2
That
feet.
is there.
So the depth is 2 feet.
Yeah. So that is fixed.
That is fixed. And the height from this platform to the wall unit, it has to be 2 feet or 2 feet 3 inches. It shouldn't be more than that, because then it has to be accessible.
Okay.
So
this is called as a backsplash, right?
Yeah, so backsplash generally is this much of space we covered with the granite, that is called backsplash. This is actually, nowadays we have put a complete tile.
Okay.
So there used to be small tiles. Now the trend has shifted to a complete tiles,
Okay.
because then there are no grooves.
Okay.
Yeah.
And what are the?
There used to be a dado tiles, wall dado tiles,
Yeah,
wall
yeah.
dado. So wall dado tiles are replaced with this kind of tiles now.
This kind of tiles.
Yes.
These are tiles. Now moving to the sink area.
Correct.
The cleaning area.
Correct.
This is a single bowl sink.
Yeah, this is a single bowl sink. Now the brand is Frankie, which we have used now.
Okay.
You can use any. There are now, this is an SS sink. There can be
What
other
are different materials
varieties.
used in sinks?
So there is a SS sink.
So we spoke about the entire length
Yeah.
in the modular kitchen manufacturing. How is this length? Is it
Yeah.
is it standard or is it customizable?
Correct. So again, it is not standard. As I show you, I'll just open it. Now you must have seen, now we have used 2 drawers. There could be 3 drawers also in the same space.
Okay.
What you use inside, that is important. If you are using cutlery, it can be a 6 inches drawer. If you
Okay.
have to keep a thali, it has to be 1 feet height. So according to which product you are going to put, you have to make arrangement as per
While
that.
you make the design, you have
Yes.
to first predefine.
We have to, yeah,
इस
predefine.
जगह में क्या रखने वाले हैं?
We have to predefine, we have to talk to client that this thing is gonna be fitted here. What is your requirement? What is your
Preference.
preference and current functional style?
Okay.
What is your current functional style in kitchen? Where do you keep your current spices? How do you operate? And where do you prefer to keep that in new kitchen? Yeah.
Okay.
So that's very important point.
That gives us the.
Yeah.
So this can be manufactured in 6 inches.
It can be manufactured in 6 inches. Yes,
6
absolutely.
inches is the least.
6 inches is the least,
Okay.
because there are things which are not lesser than 6 inches generally.
Okay.
You have to keep your hand inside, take out the
And what is the
things.
increment value? You can manufacture in 6 inches, then you can go to 9 inches.
Yeah, so customization, there is no limit. As we talk in we can make a panel in 150 which is 6 inches. We can make a panel in 151 also.
Achha, okay.
So to that precision, because we are making all this furniture on CNC machines,
Okay.
so the precision can be
So
anything.
whatever design and dimensions
Yeah.
you use, that can be managed. So,
Yeah.
so that will not be worried.
Yeah, that need not be
One more
worried.
question.
Yeah.
Does religion plays an important role while designing the kitchen?
Not really, because utensils are the same, food is the same. It is how your preparation style can be different, but you will still place the things as per that sequence or order. Whatever are the frequently used, you want it near you to your hand. Let it be any religion.
Yeah, absolutely. How did that question come to you?
From our content we have
Actually, what can
because while designing any kitchen,
Yeah.
first we need to understand their requirement and needs and
Yeah.
what the family requires.
See, I think-
Of height in Punjabi
Yeah.
family, if
Yeah.
the cook is higher, from it's not like our Maharashtrian.
correct.
So from that point of view, we need to consider the height of kitchen.
Okay.
These parameters should be considered.
I don't think so. I don't
I
think
think
so,
I get
because there has to be, we always consider, when we talk about height of a person, we consider average height.
Yeah.
We always, so yes, there can be, if you go to Punjabi families, the people are more than 5.5 inches always.
Yeah.
But
the females as well.
yeah. But we
I think,
talk about
I got
average.
from where you're coming from. let's say for example I'm a Jewish family, and
Yeah.
in Jewish families, conventional Jews,
Yeah.
they prefer kosher. जैसे Muslims have halal, so
Correct.
there's a kosher.
Okay.
Jains have without onions, and so Jews will have kosher.
Yeah.
So because kitchens have to be, the client requirement has to be. How do we know what
Yeah.
space to allocate?
Yeah.
It is because what is your food preparation style?
Correct.
What kind of food do you prepare? Do you because
Correct.
if you see majorly the Muslim families, they will use a lot of baked products.
Correct.
So they would love to have an oven unit compulsory.
And also those who are eating non-vegetarian, if they are too much lover of non-vegetarian, they may have a deep freezer also.
Deep freezer.
Deep
Why
freezer.
meat requires a deep freezer?
Yeah. If it is the bigger
I won't
family.
understand. I'm a vegetarian.
Yeah. If it is in a joint family, bigger family, they have a small deep freezers where they can keep the meat. Yeah.
I think religion will not really alter, because what is the client requirement? He requires more food preparation styles.
Correct.
So he may have.
Correct.
Because now today what trend I am seeing in kitchen designing is जो सब पहले रेस्टोरेंट में होता था, अभी लोग उसको घर में घुसा रहे हैं.
With YouTube, everything is happening here.
अभी डीप फ्रायर आ रहा है घर के लिए. माइक्रोवेव्स तो वगैरह तो पहले आ चुके हैं. ओवन्स आ रहे हैं, इंडस्ट्रियल यूनिट्स. So thank you. Lovely interacting with you.
Thank you very much also.
Yes.
Yeah.
And have a fine.